how to make my Realme phone have an incoming call read out who is calling me. So it's known as the announce caller ID if you are using the Google Dialer app on your Realme phone. This is one of the many Realme phones out there, and for the most part, it will most likely be using the Google Dialer app. Once you go into the Dialer app itself, you'll look at the three dots up here and tap on it one time. Go to settings, and from within the settings section, go down until you see caller ID announcement right here. And when you go here, you'll see this right there and you'll tap on it. That'll give you these set of options. So if you switch it to always, basically it's always gonna read out whoever is calling you if it's a saved contact. And now if you want it to just work only when you have your headset on, switch to this option here, and it'll read it out if you have a headset connected to your Realme phone at the moment. And of course, to turn it off, you can go back to where it says never. And that is that, like and sub.